This will maintain 5,000. The heavy Boeing 747, you're following to 12 o'clock, 7 miles westbound, approaching the LA River at 4,300.
This will maintain 5,000, we're looking at flight 3006.
KLM 601, heavy, reduced speed 180, maintain that to Lima. At Lima, contact Los Angeles Tower, 120.9 flight.
180 to Lima and then over to Tower, KLM 601.
Step. Speed 180. Q.
Traffic inside.
Eagle Flight 3006, follow the heavy Boeing 747 to the same runway. Clear the visual approach 25 left.
Clear visual approach 25 left behind the heavy 74. Eagle Flight 3006. So Kelly, Flight 3006, can we have speed our discretion or do you want to sign speed?
Eagle Flight 3006, maintain 180 knots or greater.
180 knots or greater, Eagle Flight 3006. Approach American 2421 heavy with you via the CB2
American 2421 heavy, SoCal approach, caution weight turbulence, you're following heavy Boeing 747.
Copy the traffic.
2500.
United 531 heavy, reduce speed 220.
Speed 220 and at 531 heavy.
Wil je dekseltje openschuiven?
Heavy maintenance frequency, traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles, E190 at 2,500, report him in sight.
Yeah, we got him, Delta 283.
Delta 283 heavy, maintain visual separation, contact SoCal departure.
Still calling Delta 283.
Air Shuttle 2809 at Papa, cross runway 25 right, contact ground point 75 as you cross.
Cross 25 right here, Papa, the point 75 on the other side, Shuttle 2809, thanks.
Challenger 1 Papa Echo at Foxtrot, cross runway 25 left, hold short runway 25 right.
Cross 25 left, hold short 25 right for 301 Papa Echo.
Delta 1508 LA Tower, taxi full length.
Full length to 1508. Get him 601 is on mile 25 left. Full last, go at 6059.
KLM 601 heavy LA Tower, wind 240 at 90, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 left, KLM 601 heavy.
Landing checklist.
Check this. Sweet brake.
Arm.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
130.
Landing checklist. Straight lands.
Check.
Delta 1508, runway 25 right, position, hold traffic, will cross downfield.
Delta 1508, position, hold 25 right.
Challenger 1 Papa Echo at Bravo, pass behind the Brasilia. Then at Foxtrot, cross runway 25 right, turn right on Bravo and taxi full length.
Alright, we'll be behind the Brasilia and we'll taxi to full end to 25 left, or 25 right, 301 Papa Echo.
American 1458 LA Tower.
Yes, ma'am.
American 1458 at Foxtrot, pass behind the Challenger, then taxi full length.
Behind the Challenger, full length, American 1458.
Landing.
Approaching minimums.
Delta 1508, wind 240 at 9, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Delta 1508, clear for takeoff, 25 right.
Eagle Flight 6059, caution wake turbulence, runway 25 right, position, hold, report the Boeing 737 in sight.
50, 40, 30,
Skywest 6059, caution wake turbulence, runway 25 right, position, hold, report departing traffic in sight.
Delta's inside, position, hold 25 right, Skywest 6059.
Speed brakes up.
Eagle Flight 3006 by Lima.
Eagle Flight 3006, LA Tower, caution wake turbulence, preceded by heavy Boeing 747, wind 240 at 9, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 left, Eagle Flight 3006.
90. 80.
LA Tower, United 531 Heavy is with you outside Lima for 25 left.
70. 60.
KLM 601 Heavy, turn right at Hotel Niner at Tango, hold short, runway 25 right.
Hotel 19er and short 25 right, KLM 601.
Skyway 6059, maintain visual separation, wind 24010, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff, we'll maintain visual, Skyway 6059.
Tango is
Challenger
close.
1 Papa Echo, runway 25 right, position and hold.
Position hold 25 right for 301.
With the data over.
American 801, LA Tower, taxi full left.
Yeah, to hold.
Select American 801.
Delta 1508, contact SoCal departure.
Delta 1508.
United 531 Heavy, LA Tower, traffic RJ 3 mile final, wind 24010, runway 25 left, clear to land.
We gaan straks hier oversteken, maar doe even...
United 531 Heavy, LA Tower, traffic RJ 2 mile final, wind 24010, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Land 25 left, United 531 heavy.
Challenger 1 Papa Echo, report departing traffic upwind in sight, wind 24010, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 25 right, traffic in sight for 301 Papa Echo.
American 1458, runway 25 right, position, hold report Challenger in sight.
Position hold, 1458, Challenger inside.